I could just go around here with a MIG, but I've got a little TIG welder like on demo from Artec, so I'm going to give it a try with that, and so I can get a bit of decent video of TIG welding this together. I'm using a 2.4 tungsten, a gas lens in a number 6 cup, and that's not a bad weld for a mechanic that pisses about. I don't think it'll come off. I've used several different welding masks in the past. My eyesight's not that good, and I bought myself one of these, an Optrail Crystal 2, absolutely amazing. I used the money that I got from my bell ends, and I bought that, and it really has improved my welding. Or at least I can see when I get the tungsten stuck now, but it really is an excellent bit of kit. It wasn't cheap, but to me it's worth every penny. Nice little machining job here to do. I've got to make that pulley fit that motor, put a keyway in. I have got a key with a broach the right size. I haven't got a pilot, you never have a pilot the right size, so I can make a pilot. But the first thing is to bore that out to 19mm. I've got a piece of bar, it's a good fit in there, so I'll be able to use that now. Line it up in the lathe, fold your chuck, clock on there, bore it out, and then broach the hole, and also put a grub screw in for them. Right. The back face of that pulley is machined, and it's actually touching hard against the chuck, so if we clock that in, it's going to be running pretty true. It's possible just to run out in the bar now. Probably as good as it's going to get. This pulley's already got a keyway in, so it's going to be interrupted cut all the way. This cast iron's going to be fairly soft. Take one pass all the way through, so clean it up and then have a measure. I think that's about 2 mil to 4 of it. Here when it drops off the cut, and I've left I've left 4 inch of clearance between the tool post and the chuck, so I've got plenty room to play. It's 16.12, so I can comfortably take a mil out of it and then measure it again. Yeah, that's a half mil cut, see how that, see how it likes that. .8 now I'm getting the reading off. We'll put the bar through again on the same setting. It's getting very near now. Use a spring cut for your final finished size. That's a funny's hair under. That's just about, oh you bastard you. Put it back through again on the same setting and we should be good to go. Should be it. It makes up dead on size. Needs finishing there. Right, that will go on, yeah. Leave it at that. Just going to square this face up. That can stuff it all cast iron dust. it's sort of, it will tap on. That's the dog's bollocks, that's what we want. Right, now for the keyway, I'll have to make a tool to line the keyway brooch up again. I haven't got one. That particular size. Right, I found a bit of bar. I'm sure there'll be a brooch there inside of here somewhere. She's Banggood tooling's doing alright. Right, that'll do for John. I haven't broke a bottom tool this week. There's still time. Survives to play another day. Need to machine a slot in there for that brooch to go through. So I've got it resting on two parallels, so it's nice and parallel to the job. Right, John. The slot size is actually 8.2. So we'll go with 8mm and a 0.1 cut on either side of it. Trying to do this without coolant on it. touching all the way along, which means that the part is lying nice and level, or at least level enough for the application we're putting it to. It looks like it's in the middle as well, so that's always a good thing. Right, now that's a nice fit in there, and that's down below the level of that because you put packing pieces in to work the cut. Might have to ease that with it. No, it's a little polish with a file. Very happy with that. Right, to broach the hole, that's the guide we've just made. That simply drops in there, and then the broach, which is this thing here, is tapered. That's the small end, that's the thick end. You push that through there, and basically it cuts a slot, cuts a keyway. Once you've passed it through, you put a shim in behind there to shim it out, and you keep on going until you've got the depth you require. Broaches have got one major ambition in life, and that's to break. They're really brittle, they're really expensive as well, so you've got to be careful with them. This arbor press I've got wasn't deep enough, so I've modified it so I can get things in there, and basically I can put any height in there I like. Now it's already got the remains of the keyway. I'm going to put the key in there and cut that out. We'll put the guide in, lined up with the old piece of keyway. That goes in there like that. And we'll need some packing pieces in the back. Quite sure how many, but we will need some in. Lubricant always helps. The shims I'm putting in are roughly 25 thou, so you're getting 25 thou a bait. Right, that's the finished result, a nice square keyway right in the middle. Let's see if it fits onto the motor. Right, started, that will go on. I'm not going to put it on because I have to pull it off, but that's nice, that's just going to go on just nicely. Dear me. Right, we're a nice 6mm machine top here. ready for it to slide on nicely. That's the donkey's knob, or just the job as they say. Very happy. Very satisfying doing little jobs, but they're satisfying, they're worth doing properly. The lad who owns that motor and pulley brought some bits and pieces in for us, some lathe tips which are going to be used, but he also brought this. It's a torch with a really powerful magnifying glass on the end, very old. There's a little diamond wheel there for, I'm not quite sure what that's for, but this was used at Parsons for inspecting turbine blades from what I gather. It really is a powerful magnifying glass, and has batteries going to there. Not quite sure what sort of batteries, but it's really handy for getting bits and pieces out of fingernails. It is a real potent magnifying glass. Whether you can see that or not. If anybody's used one of these, it'd be interesting to find out what to use it for. It's certainly old. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. I'm nearly on 80,000 subscribers now, and I would like to get to 100,000, and that's only you can help us get there. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next week.